Hi everyone. As you can see on this virtual machine that the screen is not full, and how we will do procedure is very easy. Please follow along. So we will go to up there in menu, find devices, and then in devices, under devices you will find insert guest edition CD image. Just click on it, my computer, and then you will find on the right hand side, as you can see on the right hand side, this box. Just open it up and click next, click next, click install, and now it is installing. So this is a utility which you need to install, that you will be able to see full screen, and also other features will be available. In my next video I'm going to show you how you will be getting these all other features. So now we are going to reboot, finish, click on finish. As you can see, it is now restarting. So I'm going to pause this machine because updates are underway. I don't know how long it will take. I'll be back soon. As you can see, the machine is restarting now. As you can see, the screen is now bigger than earlier, but we will go on the menu and then view, click view, click view, and then full screen mode, or host plus F. Actually, host is your right hand side on your keyboard, control button plus F. So we are going to click it. It is asking yes. Here you can see we have got now full screen. So this is the way you can make easily and quickly on Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. I will appreciate your efforts. Thank you very much. Bye.